Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Library Facts. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most widely used referencing styles in academic writing, APA referencing style. Understanding APA style is crucial when writing papers, reports, or theses. Let's dive right in. The APA style, or the American Psychological Association style, is a widely accepted method for referencing and citing sources in academic writing. It is commonly used in the fields of social sciences, psychology, education, and various other disciplines. The primary goal of the APA style is to create a standardized format that ensures the authenticity and traceability of the sources we use in our research papers or articles. By following the APA style, you give proper credit to the original authors and also make it easier for readers to locate. Your references. The 7th edition of the APA manual is the latest version and serves as a comprehensive guide for researchers and writers. It covers everything from how to structure your paper to how to list your sources correctly. Before we get into the specifics of APA style, let's talk about why referencing is important in the first place. Whenever you write a research paper, essay, or report, you draw upon the work of other scholars, books, or online resources. Referencing ensures that you acknowledge the original ideas and data you've incorporated into your own work. Here are some key reasons. 1. Credibility and authenticity. Referencing provides a foundation for your arguments and claims by showing that your work is based on verified and trusted sources. 2. Avoiding plagiarism. Plagiarism, or using someone else's work without giving proper credit, is a serious ethical violation in academics. Proper referencing helps you avoid this issue. 3. Enabling readers to find sources. A well-referenced paper allows readers to easily locate the sources you've cited, making your research more transparent and traceable. Now let's break down the essential elements of APA style. These are the basic components you will use when creating references for books, journal articles, websites, and other sources. 1. Author's name. The author's name is written in the following format. Last name, first initial. Example, Kumar A. 2. Publication year. After the author's name, the publication year is mentioned in parentheses. Example, 2024. 3. Title of the work. After the publication year, the title of the article or book is given in italics. Example, The Art of Research. 4. Publisher and location. The place and name of the publisher are also included. Example, Delhi, Gyan Prakashan. Now let's talk about in-text citations. When we include someone else's ideas in our writing, we need to provide a brief reference within the text. This is called an in-text citation. It includes the author's name, the year of publication, and the page number. Example, Kumar 2024, page 45. At the end of the paper or document, all sources are fully listed in the references section. This list provides complete details of all sources used in the research, arranged alphabetically. Here's how it looks. Example, Kumar A. 2024. The Art of Research. Delhi, Gyan Prakashan. Note, the reference list should always be in alphabetical order, and all entries should follow the same format. There are a few other special rules in the APA style. DOI, Digital Object Identifier. If an online article has a DOI, included in the reference. URL. If you are using an online source, include the URL, especially if it's from a website. Edited works. If you're referencing an edited book or article, include the editor's name with ed or eds. So, friends, that was a simple and easy explanation of the APA referencing style. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to use it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel Library Facts. Thank you.